Hey, what's up everybody? This is Eddie Rich, and today we're talking about mouthpiece buzzing for the alto saxophone. Mouthpiece buzzing just refers to playing on the mouthpiece alone. Mouthpiece buzzing is helpful for a couple of reasons. First, based on the feedback we get from playing just the mouthpiece, we can tell if the embouchure is too tight, too loose, or just right. Also, buzzing helps us with voicing, which is the movement of the tongue up and down inside the oral cavity while we're playing. Developing an awareness of this can help with intonation, and it can also help with working on the altissimo register. It's possible to play scales, arpeggios, and even songs with just the mouthpiece. But to get started, we need to establish a single note to use for home bass. For the alto saxophone, we'll use concert A. To play that note on the saxophone, we would have to play a high F sharp. Now that you know what the correct pitch is, I'll leave you with a practice drone that you can use to practice along with. A couple more things before this practice drone starts. If you find the info in this video helpful and you want to see more content like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really does help. Also, mouthpiece buzzing can be pretty strenuous, so there's no need to do more than 5 minutes a day of this starting out. And feel free to stop at the first sign of pain. Okay, happy practicing.